So up until this point, all of the chords have been referred to just by a single letter. So chords like G, D, C, A, and E. The next chord we're going to talk about has a letter, but it also has a descriptor that goes with it. So this is going to be the E minor chord. And if you watch the video on the E chord, this one's going to be very similar. So if you remember the E chord, which is actually short for E major, is played like this, where we have our index finger on the first fret of the G string, our middle finger on the second fret of the A string, and our ring finger on the second fret of the D string. If we want to play E minor, it's going to be really similar. We just pull our index finger off and play an open G string there. And that's the E minor chord. It has just a slightly different sound, and depending on which key you're playing in, this is going to be a really nice chord to play. So that's E minor. We'll see you next time.